Hey everybody, this is Jusu Kim, matchmaker team at Home Smart. Today I'm sitting here at Mitchell's with a Valley Stream writer and a poet. Let's ask her name first.
Sandra Proto.
Sandra, thank you so much for having an interview with me.
You're welcome.
So, you are a writer and a poet. When did you discover the love of writing?
Oh, probably when I was 12 years old. Um, you know, in school, when you're in school, your English teacher, you have to write a poem, right? So I wrote a poem, and my English teacher was so impressed. He was trying to get it published. He didn't get it published, but that's okay. But I discovered the love of poetry then, and even my aunt, who was a poet also, she had told me, she's like, well, if you like poetry, you should look into Maya Angelou. And yeah, so I did, and I read all her, autobiographies, and I just love Maya Angelou.
Wow. So what makes you write?
What makes me write? Just everything around. It could be something personal. It could be something, happening around socially here in the community. It could be anything. Basically.
So if people want to know about you, Sandra Proto, they should read your books. And how many books have you published so far?
I published 5.
5 books?
Yes, I published 5 poetry books. I'm mostly a poet. I will be publishing an essay book this later on this summer, and hopefully next year a short story book. But
that
yes.
sounds great. Wow, you are a well-established writer and a poet.
Yes.
I also heard that you are running a workshop. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, so my company, Girls Read to Write, is for young ladies the age 8 to 16. And what I do is it's a book and writing club. We're on hiatus for now, but hopefully we'll get back in September. And what I do is we read a book a month. It's a 7-month program. We read a book a month, and we pick a type of writing genre to go with that. So my last right before the pandemic, we finished up was the folklore workshop.
Wow, that's amazing. So where do people find you? How can they find you?
Okay, so for me as an author, I also do workshops too as an adult and readings. So you can reach me at www.sandraproto.com. And if you're interested in your daughter or some young lady, special young lady in your life for any workshops, you can reach me at www.girlsread2, spelled out to write.com.
Great. Thank you for the information, and thank you for the great interview.
Thank you.